In defense test environments, cable harnesses often need mill-style durability without the cost and long lead times of traditional military hardware. A defense electronics customer came to Epec with that challenge. Their ground support equipment required a 38999 style interface, but backshells, potting, and shrink boots were driving up cost and creating cosmetic concerns. Epec developed a more efficient approach by pairing a 300-volt, 105 degrees Celsius, UL-rated multiconductor cable with a custom PVC overmold. The molded strain relief delivered strong mechanical protection and a clean, consistent appearance. With custom tooling and domestic production in New Bedford, Massachusetts, the customer received a rugged, production-ready harness faster and at significantly lower cost.